So in this session we will be understanding about the different types of JavaScript variables supported in JavaScript. Remember, the JavaScript variables are categorized into two types. First one is local variables and second one is global variables. Okay. Now I will try to explain which kind of variables are called as local variables and which type of variables are called as global variables in JavaScript. I already told you that in general you will be writing a JavaScript code inside the script tag. If it is inline JavaScript, you will be writing JavaScript code inside the script tag and you will be writing type is equals to text slash JavaScript and end of the script tag. Inside this script tag, if you directly declare variables outside of the functions, in case let us say I declared a variable with the name var v1 and let us say I assign directly some data into this v1 variable. Now this v1 variable is technically called as global variable because this variable is not declared inside any function, right? And hence this is considered as global variable. You remember, in case if a variable is declared inside function body, such kind of variables can be called as local variables, and if any variable is declared outside of any function, obviously such kind of variables will be considered as global variables. Now this v1 is global because it is not declared inside any function. Similarly, in case if I declare a variable directly, something like this, without using var keyword, let us say I have written v2 is equals to PALLE. Even this is also global variable only. Whether I used var or not, it doesn't matter. If I declare a variable outside of any function, obviously such kind of variables can be called as global variables. Now let me explain which kind of variables are called as local variables. Let us say I have written a JavaScript function, something like this, dummy function fn1. Let us say inside the function parenthesis I have written v3 v4 open curly bracket and end curly bracket, right? So remember, usually these variables which are defined inside the function parenthesis technically called as parameters. Many developers will be calling these variables as parameters. Obviously these are parameters only. In my case I will call these variables as local variables. Okay, so these are parameters and hence apart from that these are considered as local variables only because these variables you are supposed to use only inside this function body or method body. Okay, so inside this function let us say I declared some other variable, something like this, where v5 is equals to maybe Palle University. It can be any data, it really doesn't matter. So now this v5 variable I can call it as local variable. Why local? Because this variable is declared inside the function body and hence obviously this variable is local. So you are allowed to use this variable only inside this function body, not outside, right? But anyhow these variables, global variables, you are allowed to use inside any function. If you want I can write maybe something like v1 is equals to v1 plus 6. I can use this global variable inside this function body because this is available inside any function because it is global, right? But anyhow I cannot use this v5 variable outside of this function, right? If I try to use it, obviously I will get an error. Now let me try to declare one more variable inside this function body. Let us say I declared a variable with the name v6 and let us say I have stored some data. Really data doesn't matter here. Now you look at this variable, I declared v6 variable without using var keyword. You remember one important point, if you declare any variable inside the function body without using var keyword, such kind of variables are again considered as global variables, not local variables. Must understand, though you define a variable inside the function body, right? In case if you declare the variable without using var keyword, definitely it is called as global variable, right? So I believe you understood the point. If you declare a variable inside the function body by using var keyword, then it is considered as local variable. If you declare a variable inside the function body without using var keyword, then definitely it is called as global variable. I believe you understood the point. Now v6 is global variable, v5 is local variable. Now in case, let us say inside this script only, because of space constraint I am writing here, let us say I am having another function named fn2. Is it possible to use this v6 inside this fn2 function? Obviously yes. You can write alert v6, right? So I already told you that alert is a function which is useful for displaying some output. Definitely this code will work and you will get hello as output. But in case if you try to write alert of v5, definitely you will get a error. While executing this code, when the execution goes into this second alert box, obviously here you will get a error stating that v5 is not available inside this fn2 function, right? So I believe you understood the point. Okay, so remember, the variables which are directly declared inside the script or outside of any function body or outside of function, such kind of variables are called as global variables. And if you define a variable inside the function body by using var keyword, such kind of variables are called as local variables. And if you declare any variable inside the function body without using var keyword, such kind of variables are called as global variables. And the parameters can also be called as local variables. I believe you understood the point.